Okay, as you saw in the other video of measuring, of the methodology of measuring tree biomass and tree height, here I'm going to show you how we convert the biomass measured into carbon equivalent. When we measure the diameter at breast height, which is 1.3 meters above ground, we get the biomass value for that tree using known aromatic equation specific for mangroves. And these are published everywhere. You can get from IPCC guideline, you can get from C4 guideline. So when we get biomass, 50% of the biomass is carbon. And now to convert carbon to CO2 equivalent, remember CO2, the variance, the formula for CO2 is C02 or carbon 4. We look at the proportion of carbon dioxide in carbon, the proportion of carbon in carbon dioxide is 3.16. So it means if I get 50% of carbon, 50% of biomass is carbon, I'll multiply by 3.16 to get the carbon, the CO2 equivalent. So it's that CO2 equivalent that I'll compare the change in subsequent year. So in year one, last year, we had lower biomass growth than this year. So the difference, that's the carbon equivalent, that's the biomass increment, which you convert to carbon dioxide equivalent. And that is what we shall sell in the market.